How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can cut out stroke of any shape with Inkscape. So I'm going to add this simple stroke right here. And then right after, if you want to go ahead and remove with any shape, you could just select something like your pencil tool. And here you could just go ahead and draw over it. So in my case, I'm going to be doing it this way. And then simply right after, make sure that both the circle and the line is selected. Navigate through path, click break apart, and then it will simply break the stroke right here onto the basically where they met. Now if that didn't work, you could try using the other one, which is going to be the cut path option, and simply from there we can see that we have successfully cut the stroke on our circle. And so that's how easy it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.